How to find recently uploaded videos on YouTube. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily find recently uploaded videos on YouTube. Let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up YouTube application on your device. And once you open it up, you need to search for certain things. So let's say if you want to search for football, for example, hit search. It will show you all the available videos here. But what you can do instead is use filters on your search. Tap on the three dots at the top right, go to search filters, and on upload date, since it's selected anytime, it's going to show me random videos from a long time ago or some recent updates as well. So let's say if I want to find football videos from today, I can select that. On duration, let's do 4 to 20 minutes. Tap on apply, and you'll easily find all of these videos over here. So that's how you can easily find recently uploaded videos on YouTube by using these search filters. I can also do last hour as well. Tap on apply, and it will show me the football videos that are uploaded in the last hour. So as you can see, these are all 55 minutes, 40 minutes ago, 11 minutes ago, 26, 56, and so on. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.